Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is 1041 square meters. It's a clean title located in Lila, Bohol. Lila, town of Lila. I forgot the barangay, but this is located in Lila, Bohol, second lot from National Highway. So from this highway, it's around, I think it's 15 meters, Kinsira Kamitros. So from here, start from here, I think it's around 15 meters. So this is the property. Mauna ni siya, guys. 15 metros siya from the highway. It has a wide frontage, ideal for residential. So residential ragid siya, or a little small agricultural. You can still farm, no? Because it's 1041. It's a big lot. So it has several coconut trees, banana trees, and very nice, a little bit elevated, so which is ideal to put some rest house or house and lot. Then you can easily walk to the beach. So this is wide, no, wide frontage good siya, guys. Water, electricity and signal are available. Approximately 40 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So regular kuan lang. So see, why problema, no? There's electricity, signal. So this is the highway again. So that is my car, my small car, no? Wala patay dako. So maro magyud atong maabot. So this is the property, no? A second lot from the property. This is the highway again. So from this highway, you just walk across, no? Across. Mutabok lang ka, guys. Then you need to be watchful, no? You need to be careful because it's a highway. Then it's a curb, no? Kurbadahon ra ba siya gamay. So but very nice good, guys, no? I think it's just around 50 meters away from the beach. Dool ra gyud kayo, guys. So that one is already the beach. Makita man nimo dagat na, no? So from Panglao Airport, I think it's just around 40 minutes drive. Dool ra gyapon. Less than an hour from Panglao International Airport. So see, you can see the beach, no? But you need to walk, no, a little here, beside of this railing. There is a railing of the DPWH. You may practice walking beside a small footpath of the railing. Then you just walk downhill. Lugsong ra kagamay, guys. Then you will enjoy the white sand beaches. White sand beaches na, guys. Other rocky, some rocky. See, it's free, libre lang na, guys. Really very nice, no? It's really free. Very nice, no? Very free. It's very free. Balik-balik punta ni. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So again, this is on the east side of Bohol, which is Lila, Bohol. So very nice. Thank you, and that's me. And God bless to all. Bye.